Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error too many retries on your Steam gaming platform on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code on your Steam gaming app, then here are the fixes. The first one is go to Windows search and type Steam and open a Steam gaming app as administrator mode. So run your Steam app as administrator mode. This is the first and initial workaround, and check whether you are facing a error or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open a Steam app. Here from the top left corner, go to a Steam and click on check for Steam client updates. And let the window complete any update available. It will visible here, and check for Steam client updates. And after that, check whether your error too many retries resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to a Steam from the top left corner and choose settings. In settings page, from the left side, go to downloads. Thereafter, go to right side, and here you will find clear download caches. So click on clear caches. This will clear your local download caches and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Choose confirm. So clear your Steam download caches, and again open a Steam app and check whether your too many retries error on Steam resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch the Steam app and from the top left corner, click on Steam and here choose settings. Here go to accounts from the left side of settings menu, and thereafter choose account details. Here scroll down and you will find the option under account security, manage Steam guard. Click on it. Manage Steam guard. Click on it. And here you must ensure that get a Steam guard, a Steam codes by email. Recommended will require you to log in. This feature or is enabled, and if you found it in off mode, turn a Steam guard off. Not recommended. Then turn on get a Steam guard codes by email will require you to re-log in feature should be enabled. The next workaround to fix this issue is go right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. From the right side, go to troubleshoot. Choose other troubleshooters. And here run network and internet troubleshoot. There may be a possibility of any network related issue, so you must run network and internet troubleshoot. After that, your problem will definitely be resolved.